what do you do when you're not where you want to be and you know you still have goals, big goals and dreams, you just have not achieved those yet? What do you do? I was listening to a podcast with Gary Vee. He made a comment that was pretty profound, because we all go through this, and especially kind of where I'm at in my business and personal life and all that, definitely gone through it and still going through it. And he was talking about, and a lot of this was related to his health and how years ago he was vastly overweight, didn't quite have the energy, and then of course just not having the knowledge that he does today. Some of his strategy with his business was a lot different back then. He made this comment of halftime adjustments, and that related to me too, because hey, I'm getting closer to 40 and not exactly where I want to be. And even though I don't know that I'll ever be exactly where I want to be, because I always want to be better, and I just have that competitive nature. But from a far standpoint of where the goals are, definitely not where I want to be now, both physically and in business and with family and everything. So what do you do if that's you and you're 30, 40, 50 years old, even 60 years old? Like, what do you do when you're not where you want to be and you know you still have goals, like big goals and dreams, you just have not achieved those yet? What do you do? The analogy he made was, it's halftime, baby. It's halftime. Just like in football, in halftime, when you go in and you're down, I mean, you don't quit. You don't quit. You go in, you make the adjustments you need to make, and you get out and you work hard. Work hard and continue to work hard until the game is over. No matter where you are in life, you can always make adjustments to improve. And that's what we've been doing with our business. And as we're scaling, competition's getting crazier and crazier, and what we're doing wasn't working. And we like some people seem to be doing really well, and some people are not so well. And you're always comparing yourself to everyone else, and without really knowing what's going on in their, like, really what's going on behind the scenes. It can be hard to do that, and it can be hard to self-reflect in that manner. So don't necessarily look at everyone else, what they're doing. Look at where you are with your business, with your goals, with your personal life, physical relationships and everything. And if you're not where you want to be, make the halftime adjustments that you need to make to get you to that next level. It does require some self-reflection, and not necessarily looking out to everyone else, looking at what everyone else is posting on Facebook, but maybe looking out for skill sets, certain things and trends that you need to take advantage of and do differently than you've been doing before. But reflect in yourself on what do you need to do. Maybe what is holding you back from your attitude, your mindset, your activity patterns. Like, are you really not where you want to be? And that's because you're going out 2-3 nights a week. I guess people probably aren't going to bars much these days, but are you sleeping in on Saturday morning? You're sleeping in until 10 o'clock and you're overweight. Like, maybe you should get up earlier and go on a run. Having that self-reflection, make the halftime adjustments that you need to make, and get out there and work hard. So that spoke to me. I wanted to share that with y'all, and hopefully it's something that you can take advantage of, make the necessary adjustments to get to the next level. If you like the halftime analogy, leave a comment. Like, what halftime adjustments are you making in your business, in your life, in your relationships, in your health? What are you making? Click the like button, comment below. Look forward to hearing you. See you next time.